everybody, Sid here from the home office of the Stanford Inn and Resort. You might have noticed that I am sporting a little bit of a beard. I got it going on right now. My hope is that by later in the year, it'll be more of like a Santa level beardness and just like totally primed and ready by the time, Santa usually clocks in. That's my goal. Side note, I think a bald Santa would be way more effective, but I don't want to be too controversial. If you've taken a class with me at the resort, you know I have two main points that I drive home. And I mean, I drive them home. Here's number one. Ready? Healthy eating is very simple. We're led to believe it's super complicated and we're told 1,000 things that make our heads want to explode, but it's actually not that complicated. That's number one. Number two, healthy living really healthy and vibrant and everything is a bigger picture than food. And it's primarily about, guess what? Stress. The stress around healthy eating is ginormous. You wanna know why? Because we're reading all these crazy things and most people are getting advised by people who really don't have any nutritional training at all. Everyone's got an opinion about nutrition, but very few people actually have nutrition training. Fact is, in light of all this craziness around the coronavirus, all that stuff, the last thing we need is additional stress around how to take care of ourselves. And so I thought I would post a little video to kind of calm things down a little bit. I thought I would sum healthy eating up in just one word: fiber. But actually I'm going to use many more words. Fiber in food. Side note, I'm not talking about the nutty nut Metamucil thing, whatever that is. I don't even know what that is. It's a science experiment. What I'm talking about is fiber in food. What does fiber do? Fiber, among other things, and we're good friends here, so we can talk about the fact that it keeps us regular and all that. But here's the thing that fiber does that is so phenomenal and totally relevant right now. It feeds the good gut bacteria. So what, you might ask? Well, the good gut bacteria, among other things, is the first line of defense of our immune system. It helps us maintain a vibrancy and a strength. It helps us with inflammation. It also helps us with sleep, by the way. So the better we sleep, the less stressed we are. Stress, chronic stress of any kind weakens our immune systems. This is about the immune system right now. This is boots on the ground about this stuff. So here we go. To keep your immune system firing on all cylinders, focus on eating predominantly a fiber-filled diet. What are we talking about here? We're talking about a good base of fruits and vegetables. That's kind of the good base, enough calories. So you gotta eat a little bit more to get the same calories, fine, get those in. Then whole grains and beans, kick those in. And then, throw in a little bit of nuts and seeds. All of those things have fiber. Whole plants have fiber. That's what's gonna do this whole thing. Don't get too swept up into this food is the magic bullet of this and this food is gonna be the thing that, a variety of those things. Canned, fine, if that's all you can get right now. Canned and frozen in this, crazy thing that we're doing. Does the food have fiber in it? Pasta is fine if it's made from food that has fiber in it. White flour pasta doesn't have it. Quinoa, lentil pasta, brown rice pasta, those are things that are made from the food that has fiber in it still. What we need right now more than anything else is a strong, healthy, and happy body and mind. What we don't need is additional stress, and that goes for the stress around food as well. Dig? Good? Yes? Good. Okay. Come up and see us for a visit, all right? Joan, Jeff, and I, we're going freaking stir crazy. And the team of Stanford, and we're waiting for this thing to pass so we can all hang out and enjoy everything that we do. That's what we do. We like the work that we do. We want to get back to it. You guys take care of yourselves, all right? Best to all of you from the Stanford Inn and Resort.